Hey guys, today we're going to do system test 17. So today we have a bit of a unique setup. So first of all, here's the panel. Kind of had to do some changes to the motherboard. There's that. That's some space for some batteries if I have like a battery backup system for this panel. And the system is still running on the filtered DC power from this power supply. It's 21 volts and 0.5 amps. 0.5 amps is not really a lot, but it's still worth it. But anyways, yeah. Over here we got the Wheelock BT12 as usual, which is boring. I tried to purchase some pull stations, but guess what? They're getting more expensive than notification devices. So that kind of sucks. Anyways, over here we got the Wheelock MIZ-TC24-R, and it's set to code 3. And it does high volume. That's the only thing it does. It's on the double gang adapter plate, which converts double gang to single gang. And over here, I got the system sensor L series P2RL horn strobe, and its horn is set to code 3.3 kilohertz, low volume, and the strobe is set to 15 candela. One thing I noticed about both Wheelock and system sensor devices is that they're a bit different. Now let me show you why. First of all, system sensor devices, they look a bit more futuristic than Wheelock devices. And well, Wheelock only figured out that they made the exceeders, and those are the only futuristic alarms they ever made. So yeah. Alright, well, I don't know, they stopped making these since these are non-sync. The TC24 MIZs are non-sync. So yeah. And also, Wheelock devices, they draw too many milliamps, and system sensor devices, they draw less milliamps. Well, the newer system sensor devices, newer spectral advanced, and L series. So yeah, that's enough of the rambling. Now that we're about to do the test. Oh, and also one more thing, I'm sorry, is that since both of these devices have a 1 second delay, they would synchronize at the beginning, but then they'll start losing that because, well, this is not a sync system, but it's just coincidence. So this room's alarm is going to be a bit more loud since this alarm only can do high volume. So yeah, I mean, if you're like above the alarm or below the alarm, it's a bit louder, but if you're on the side, it's not that loud. Anyways, let's start the test. 3, 2, 1. I got no hearing protection, by the way. See, they're synchronized. This alarm is not that loud, see? They're out of sync too. Silence. There, I silenced it. Now, there's no strobe here, but this alarm doesn't do audible silence when I silence the system. It's because this is a 2-wire horn strobe. Usually, audible silence happens when there are 4-wire horn strobes, but it's also possible with 2-wire devices, but you have to put them on a sync circuit, like system sensor sync or Wheelock sync. So yeah, this is not doing audible silence. I mean, pretty much there's 4-wire variations of the L series, but they're rare. And we can also convert 4-wire to 2-wire if they're syncable. So yeah. Now everything is silenced. Let's reset the pull station. I might make a video on making a new setup, like for the next system test 18. So yeah, that's reset. Now reset the system. I won't do the drill feature. This thing is super loud on my collection. So yeah, that's that for system test 17. And also, I managed to open the system sensor MHR. Again, this is a mini horn version of the Spectral Advanced, and this can also do a system sensor sync. However, one of the corners are broken, but whatever, it still holds on. I took out the extra tape from inside, so yeah, it's gonna be loud if I do a setup with this. So yeah. This can do Wheelock sync, but that can't, since that's the earliest code 3 MIZ. So yeah. That's it for the system test. Bye.